In this tutorial, we will discuss Rolle's theorem and their geometrical interpretation. So what is Rolle theorem first? I will write the definition. If a function f is number 1 continuous in closed interval AB, number 2 derivable in the open interval A to B, and number 3 f of A equal to f of B, then there exists at least one real number C belongs to A to B such that f dash C equal to 0। अब हम देखते हैं इसकी ज्योमेट्रिकल इंटरप्रिटेशन क्या होगी। तो पहला मैं एक केस ले लेता हूं। Here is a curve y equal to fx. So let's take A and B point. I will take A point here and B point here. On the curve y equal to fx corresponding to the real number A and B respectively. So we name this as M, this as N. Since fx is continuous in the closed interval AB, the graph of y equal to fx is continuous from A to B. Again, fx is derivable in the open interval A to B. The curve y equal to fx has tangent at each point between A and B. So there is a tangent between the point A and B. So there is a tangent between the point A and B. Also f of A equal to f of B. The ordinate of the point A and B are equal. It means that MA equal to what? This is BN. MA equal to BN. So the Rolle theorem asserts that there is at least one point between A and B such that the point is here. I name it, this is P point, such that the tangent at which is parallel to x-axis. For example, there exists at least one real value C. There exists a real value C belongs to A to B such that f dash C equal to 0. So there may exist more than one point between A and B. So let's draw the diagram first. I will draw the curve like this. I will name this as A point, and here is B point. I will name as M and we name this as N. So there exists more than one point between A and B. Now I will take one point here, that is P1. I will take one point here, that is P2. So there may exist more than one point between A and B, the tangent at which are parallel to x-axis. The tangent at which are parallel. This is parallel to x-axis. This is also parallel to x-axis. So there exists more than one real number C in A to B. There exists more than one real number C. C यहाँ पे भी हो सकता है, यहाँ पे भी हो सकता है. Such that f dash C equal to 0. So Rolle's theorem ensures the existence of at least one real number C in A to B such that f dash C equal to 0. मैं कम से कम एक पॉइंट ऐसा होगा जहां ये पॉइंट टेंजेंट जो होगा वो पैरेलल टू एक्स एक्सिस हो जाएगा. सो एफ डैश सी इक्वल टू 0.